Today we're going to talk about the stress response and how having a movement problem will cause a stress response. There's a lot of things that can drive a stress response in our body. Poor diet, like unhealthy diet, inflammatory diet, lack of exercise, not moving, physical trauma, which could lead to a movement problem. And that physical trauma could be sitting all day. That's like micro trauma, little trauma over and over and over again. Mental, emotional stress, I mean, we live in this society, we're all going to deal with that, but how we deal with it is going to affect our stress response. And then sleep. If we're not sleeping, that's also going to cause a stress response.